Hydrobricks, a proud product of the Conveyor Tech Engineers, a leading manufacturer and supplier of industrial automation systems based out of Coimbatore. Conveyor Tech Engineers is an industry leader in the manufacture of fly ash brick making machine, a fully automatic machine built for high efficiency that requires very less manpower for continuous operation. We use SolidWorks for 3D modeling to achieve high precision and build quality to help our clients move quickly from an idea to a functioning product in no time. Our range of machine has lineament such as feeding, weighing, batching plant, mixing, pressing, brick machine and stacking for rapid production. Raw materials are fed into the batching plant in separate bins. Materials are weighed according to the mix ratio in the smaller conveyors and dumped into the larger conveyor which feeds the mixer. The materials are thoroughly mixed with water in the pan mixers. The mixer door opens when ready and the mix is fed into another conveyor that feeds the brick making machine. For each cycle, our brick making machine feeds the mold, removes excess mix from mold and compresses the mix in the mold, powered by dual hydraulic cylinders to exert very high pressure on the mix. The bricks formed are of very high strength and high quality. Right now, we are the only manufacturer of the brick stacker machine, our state-of-the-art technology, which reflects our design and automation expertise. Our stacker reduces the brick damage due to human handling by over 90% and reduces need for human labor by 70% in a plant. The machine flaunts complex hydraulics and pneumatics along with highly precise sensors that enable the machine to pick up bricks right after they are pressed. We use high-quality electricals, motors by Siemens or equivalent make. Control panel has PLCs made by Schneider, which is programmed to automate the entire operation of the plant. Our machines are available in 6 models designed to produce between 1,500 to 4,000 bricks per hour. Hydrobricks can greatly improve production of brick-making units, and we have supplied over 200 plants that are running successfully. Fly ash bricks produced from this machine are uniform in shape and size with a high level of compressive strength. With fly ash used as the primary raw material, the production cost is really low. With a heavy-duty construction and robust 3D design that is guaranteed of serving you for long and lower consumption of energy, the Hydrobricks fly ash brick making machinery comes with the capacity to press many bricks at one go. We are also in the R&D to make a machine that could produce different types of bricks products, including interlocking bricks, paving blocks and hollow blocks. The properties of bricks meet or exceed Indian Standard of Bricks IS 4139-1989 and 12894 1990. All you need to do is determine the number of fly ash bricks you want to produce over a period and leave the rest to us. Talk to us today, as Conveyor Tech Engineers offers you optimal solutions that readily meet your demands.